What's up YouTube, Since 1212 here, and I'm just going to show you a little comparison on the difference between Windows 7 and Ubuntu Studio. Alright, so in this computer I have Windows 7, and on this computer I have Linux Ubuntu Studio 11.10. Now, they are both on their own machines. Neither one is in a virtual machine of the other. So, just so we got that clear. Alright, this computer has a dual-core 2.5 gigahertz Pentium processor with 4 gigs of RAM, DDR2 RAM. This is dual-core 2.5 gigahertz Centurion processor, I think. Don't quote me on that. And it has a gig of RAM. If we just come in here, you can see that this is using 1.41 gigabytes, and all I have is a web browser open. And it is using anywhere between 0 and 3%. Maybe, just spikes every once in a while. Alright, over here, I'm using not even half a gigabyte. Now, yes, granted, I am using more of the system's overall memory because there's less in it to begin with, and the CPU is right around 7-8% consistently. No spikes, no jumps. Now, this is the difference. This doesn't use very much. This uses a lot. And yes, I'm not running the same application on both. This is running GIMP, this is running Safari. But the difference is quite big, actually. It's kind of sad. But, so, if I ever build a computer in the future, I will either be buying a Mac, a Hackintosh, or a computer that runs Linux Ubuntu Studio, because it runs better. So just food for thought. If you guys wanted to get into video editing, run Ubuntu. If you like a Windows program like Vegas or Premiere, actually Premiere might be available natively. Anyway, if there's one that only runs on Windows and you like it, guess what? There's a program called Wine, and Wine is not an emulator. Yeah. Wine is not, I don't know what it stands for, but it basically says Wine is not an emulator machine. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I have no idea. But that's that. And it can run Windows programs, and it runs better than Windows. I find that funny. OS X runs Windows programs better than Windows, like same program, runs it better. And Linux runs Windows programs better than Windows, same program, same source file. It doesn't make sense to me, but it does. Well, it happens, it doesn't make sense. So that's that. So if I build another computer, it will probably be, yeah, that'll be awesome. Alright, this has been Since 1212, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.